Hi, good day, Ma'am and Sir. This is Sheila Terimolta. I am 38 years old. I am a college level. I have a work experience there in the Philippines. I got 2 years experience in house helper during my college days. I do my work as cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and I do work inside and outside cleaning in the house. And then I got an experience for 3 years in housekeeping. So I do work cleaning offices and I always maintain my areas clean. And then I become a machine operator in the electronics company for 2 years and 6 months. Suddenly, I'm stopped working for 7 years because I become a mother of 2 kids. I focus my children, I raise them as a good children, I send them to school, I'm preparing their needs, and I do my part as a good mother for them. Ma'am and sir, this is my first time applying as a domestic helper in your country. Even though that I am a first timer, I believe that I can do my job because I am a type of person which is hardworking, honest, and God-fearing. Sir, ma'am, I'm hoping that you give me a chance and opportunity to work there for the better future of my children as well as for my family. Thank you and God bless you.